At Next Wave CNC here in Perrysburg, Ohio, we continuously work to improve our product's technology and capabilities. We are focused on developing game-changing functionality while building tools that increase creative options and support quality and timely production outcomes. The newest addition to our Shark brand of products is truly an industry game-changer. Over the last 3 years, our engineers have worked tirelessly to integrate full CNC functionality and accuracy for your router table. Now, Next Wave CNC proudly introduces the Shark RS1000 Pro Router Lift and Fence. The Shark RS1000 Pro transforms nearly any router table into a full-fledged 2-axis CNC, giving you unmatched accuracy by allowing your fence or bit to be moved by as little as 1/1000th of an inch. Our patented technology, controlled by an onboard processor with full-color LCD touchscreen pendant, allows the fence and lift to move accurately in direct relationship to the bit, while providing a full 12-inch fence travel for larger projects and 3.5 inches of available router lift. The Shark RS1000 Pro software accepts input as inches, decimals, or fractions, as well as metric, and comes with preloaded applications for more than a dozen common router and specialty joinery functions, including box joints, dovetail, lock miter, dado, and more. Now, there is no need to spend thousands of dollars to purchase multiple specialty jigs. Using the built-in controls, you can produce precision joints and/or do precise routing functions like never before with your Shark RS1000 Pro.
The Shark RS1000 Pro Router Fence Positioner and Router Lift combine CNC accuracy and movement with ease of use. The on-screen prompts walk you through each step of the setup, guaranteeing repeatable results every time.
The Shark RS1000 Pro fits any standard 3.5-inch router motor and features interchangeable inserts for larger bits. It also has an integrated 2.25-inch dust port. Not only is the Shark RS1000 Pro innovative, sleek, and accurate, it is simple to use, and you can immediately benefit by having it in your workshop. Cut setup time by 90%. Eliminate mistakes, and increase router table efficiency. Do you have unique settings for something you commonly make? With the RS1000 Pro, you can place that setting into the built-in memory and recall it immediately, or maybe months later, giving you 100% accurate and repeatable routing. No more time-consuming setup. The Shark RS1000 Pro is a game changer. Take the guesswork out of your setup. The Shark RS1000 Pro allows you to type in any desired measurement, press OK, and it will accurately move to that exact dimension, even if it is only 1/1000th of an inch. No more bumping or nudging needed. In summary, the Shark RS1000 Pro has cutting-edge technology that increases accuracy, productivity, and stimulates your creativity while being extremely easy to use. And of course, it comes with the Next Wave CNC's industry-leading 2-year warranty. That's why Shark is America's #1 CNC. Our new Shark RS1000 Pro is now available at authorized retailers and at nextwavecnc.com. Shark, world class, made in USA.